Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Jesus again, and today we are playing, what is this called again? Oh yeah, Quidd, and we're gonna try, this is part 2 of us collecting, the whole entire set of Courage the Cowardly Dogs. All of them, so we got that one. There's one left on this one, which is the robot. So, whatever one's the cheapest. Let's do this. Nope. Come on. Gotta get this one. Nope. Okay, let's try this one. Like a better chance, maybe. Okay, let's try one of these. I think we might have gotten it. Maybe. Nope. I don't care. Come on. Okay, I guess let's go for a different one. Let's also look in here, I guess, again. But let's see if there's any free ones recently. Nope. No dogs allowed. Okay, this one, I guess. Come on. Darn it. Why is this one so hard to get? This one, then. Spooky pouch. Nope. Come on, we gotta get a new one. Nope, that's a lot of wheels. Here, wait, let's see on paranormal. See pouches. Okay. Let's keep on working on the paranormal pack. So, good dog, binoculars. What? Come on, we need more monsters. Oh yeah, Shadow 2. Bull. Brown, ooh, spider. Oh, we got, two new ones maybe. Nope. By ghost. Nope. Here, I guess. Ooh, more low numbers. Maybe this guy. Let's try getting all of them. Ratatouille, that's a new one. Okay, I think we can get 3 more, and then this is going to be the end of part 2. I know this is really short, but I guess I didn't have that much coins. Aaron Volvo can yum. Okay, we can get, I think, one of these. Lickwack. Boom. Nope, we can't get another one. So thank you for watching this episode. We got a lot of them, but we didn't get a lot. And why is this so rare, the robot? I need to get it. Here, let's see if it's on trades really quick. Search. Robot. Take it. Oh, no. No. I don't know. Well, that's gonna end this video here. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.